Today I have this colorful mashed sweet pumpkin salad recipe. I also baked chickpea for extra crunchiness, and this is how I made it. Microwave the pumpkin for 5 to 6 minutes to make it easier to cut your pumpkin. Scoop out the pumpkin seeds. Steam the pumpkin for 20 minutes until the flesh is soft. Next, season the cooked chickpeas. Bake for 30 minutes until golden brown and crispy. When the pumpkin is cool, scrape the flesh with a spoon, mash it and season your pumpkin.
Yeah.
Next, make the dressing. I made lemon mustard dressing for this salad. Now, assemble your salad bowl. Slice your greens and cut cherry tomatoes in half. Top with the mashed pumpkin and crispy chickpeas. Drizzle the dressing over your salad and enjoy!